Conjunctions is a word that joins words, phrases, or clauses. Coordinating conjunctions connects ideas of equal rank like words to word, phrases to phrases, or clause to clause. What is fun voice? Fun voice is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Examples of coordinating conjunction. Number 1. I love swimming and biking. The coordinating conjunction is and. Number 2. I like milk tea or Slurpee. The coordinating conjunction is or. Number 3. Dieter nor Gilbert will coming to the party. The coordinating conjunction is nor. Number 4. Mark is handsome but his attitude is bad. The coordinating conjunction is bad. Number 5. She studied hard so he got a high grade. The coordinating conjunction is so.